Let me know if you have explored the new Scala style by Ellen Villa. I purchased this right away. I could not wait. This is short, curly, messy, choppy. Love, love, love it. It is in my favorites for 2023. I had to have it in another color because when I ordered this one, this is in pearl rooted, they did not yet have stock available in the champagne rooted. It's always nice to see more than one piece, isn't it? To get a sense of the style and what the variances might be. I love presenting more than one color. And I noticed something a little bit different with the colors on Scala compared to other Ellen Villas. Now, I will say this. This is a high heat fiber by Ellen Villa, so it is heat friendly. Colors look different on a heat friendly style compared to a regular non-heat friendly synthetic. I think that's what's going on here, but I also think they're really experimenting with their heat friendly fiber more. They're getting a more ashy look to it. It's sometimes with the heat friendly fibers, the blondes look gold and it becomes overwhelming amount of gold and brassiness. And that's really not ideal or attractive unless that is your color. So I'm glad to see that some of these blondes on Scala are very ash in tone. Take this pearl blonde rooted, for instance. It's some platinums and some beiges, a little bit of a darker root, but it looks like it's been toned all over. So it's more of a cool tone. It's more of a muted look. And that also tones down any brassiness that might come up in the manufacturing process of these colors. It's soft. It's not too bright and glaring. I love it. This one is very powdery and ashy looking. This reminds me a lot of the RL 1723 SS by Raquel Welch, which is the shaded iced latte macchiato. If you like that color, I think you're gonna love it. It's very, very ashy. Now on the champagne rooted, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side for you. Have you noticed that this is just the regular champagne rooted? But there's so much variance with Ellen Villa's champagne rooted. Sometimes they come across really kind of muddy, dark, and gold. Other times they're lighter and brighter with more variation. I love how they've done this. I really wasn't expecting to love this champagne rooted so very much. So we've got some honey, we have some sand, and we have some platinum highlight in there. And then we have a soft root. So I would call that probably a light brown root. It blends beautifully, but again, it looks like it's been toned down all over with a toner that makes it soft. It's not shiny. So this is interesting. I hope they continue this trend with their heat friendly. I have not explored any brunettes in the heat friendly, so I don't know if they come across warmer than actual or not, but they've really perfected it on this Scala. Let's take a quick look at the cap while I have it out here. This is a different kind of a cap, and to be honest with you, if you compare the price of Scala versus, let's say, Dance by Ellen Villa, Dance is a lot more expensive, and I don't think it has as much to offer. This is a better bang for your buck on Scala. It really is. So there you have your lace front. It does extend back into the ear tab. A very nice wide parting space here, and then a left monofilament part. And then you see your closed panels. Now those panels aren't hand tied necessarily. There's some integrated wefting, but how great is that you can peek through the hair. You're just getting the illusion of flesh tone on the cap. You're not really getting the sensation of open wefting. Velvet ear tab, an extended felted nape with the Velcro style adjusters. I will say this fits me great. It's more average, where some can be more average large. This one, there's no baggy cap anywhere. It fits perfectly. And I think that's another reason why I absolutely love it. So now it's time. Let's go ahead and do it side by side. Pearl rooted and champagne rooted. This might just help you make a decision on which blonde on Scala is for you. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at Taz's Wig Closet. you.